Hi everyone, today we're going to make something different. I have this heart-shaped mold and I wanted to paint red. And you see that we need to do something here when we use colors, except for black and white, every other color is translucent. So say for example, I'm gonna put red, and then if I don't seal that with white, when we pour the chocolate, the color will be so different. It's not going to be red because it's going to be red mixed with brown, the chocolate color. So I'm going to show you, it's easy to understand. So except for black and white, every other color is translucent. So we need to seal that. Let's start. All right, so for this next step, we need to paint every single cavity in red. So let's start. Alright, so now we're going to apply the white, like I said, to seal everything. But before, I want to show you how it looks like without the white. And then I'm going to show you again with the white. Let's do it. Alright, so let's see. See, it makes a difference. And then, so now when we put the chocolate here, we'll be fine because the white is going to seal everything and we're going to have a nice red color for the chocolates. Now let's let it dry and we're going to pour the chocolate and make the shells. I see you in a bit. Hey everyone. So just a little recap. We painted the mold with red and we seal the red with white. And now we are going to put the chocolate in it, in the cavities. And then the same thing, right? Dump everything to make the shells. Well, let's start it. Dump everything. And the shells are ready. So now let's wait for it to dry and we're gonna remove it and see how it looks like. I'll see you in a bit. Good morning, everyone. So we just have another design finished. I decided not to put ganaches or cap everything because we just wanted to take a look at the design, right? Which is very simple. We applied red cocoa butter, white cocoa butter, and then we made the shells, and we just want to see the design, right? Like I told you, it follows a pattern. Like the first thing would be to make the designs with nice colors, nice cocoa butter. Apply the white so the chocolate color doesn't interfere with our design, and then make the shells, put the ganache, and then cap everything, and that's the whole process. So let's see how this one looks like. Yeah. Let's take a look. All right, so I hope you like it. I hope you enjoy this whole process, and please subscribe to my channel. I'll try to make more videos as soon as I can. It's a little bit busy here, but I was thinking more designs, more recipes for ganaches, and whatever you suggest. Like I'd like to know, like, what do you think? What would you like to see? All right, we'll talk to you soon. All right, ciao.